In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mockups in Microsoft Designer. This process is simple, intuitive, and incredibly powerful for those looking to create stunning visual content in no time. So let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open your web browser. You'll want to type in Microsoft Designer into the search bar. Once you've done that, hit enter and you'll be taken to the Microsoft Designer homepage. Now this is where the magic begins. In the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a Sign In button. Click on that to log into your account. Signing in ensures you can save your creations and access them from anywhere. If you don't have a Microsoft account, setting one up is quick and straightforward, so don't worry. Once you're logged in, you'll see various options, but draw your attention to just beside the Microsoft Designer Home button. Here, you'll find the Create with AI option. Click on that and then select Create Custom Images. This is where you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence to bring your design ideas to life. Now, let's say you want to create a poster. You can use prompts to instruct the AI on what you're envisioning. Think of these prompts as storytelling, but in a design sense. A good prompt could be something like a vibrant summer festival poster with palm trees and sunshine. But for this demonstration, let's use something different. You'll encounter a section that says, Describe your image. This is where you'll type in your chosen prompt. For this example, let's type, a t-shirt with the text, Summer Vibes printed on it in a photorealistic style. Descriptive prompts like this one guide the AI to produce images that align closely with your creative vision. Once you've typed your prompt, the next step is to click on Generate. The AI will then work its magic and present you with a variety of image options based on your description. This is where your creativity can really shine. You'll see different takes on your design idea, giving you a canvas of possibilities to choose from. Now, after reviewing the options, find the mockup that best fits what you're looking for. When you've made your selection, click on the Edit button. This feature allows you to make final adjustments to your mockup, such as tweaking the text, incorporating brand colors, or any additional elements that refine the design. And there you have it. Your design is ready. By following these simple steps, you've utilized Microsoft Designer's powerful tools to create something truly unique. It's a fantastic way to bring your ideas to life quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.